Okay, guys, so I need to clean out the car again, and mainly today I'm going to be doing laundry. So I'm already at the laundromat, but I'm fixing to get everything out of the car, and I'm going to just take y'all along with it. It's been a very rough, interesting several days. I don't want to get into it. Anywho, yeah, so I'm at the laundromat, and we're going to get all the clothes together and wash clothes. And while they're washing, I'm going to see about fixing the back of the car. So, and my car is not wanting to cooperate. She keeps wanting to break down. So, Mom, when you see this, excuse my way of putting it, but you bought a bloody lemon, okay? You bought a lemon. My window's held in by a piece of wood now, so. Yeah. And yes, I did paint my fingernails. Where's the damn lens? I did paint my fingernails. They didn't have glue for me to get acrylics. Anyway. And I don't have any nail polish remover. Laundry first. Yay. Alright, y'all. So, I'm at the car wash. I was bored. I wrote on my arm. Anyway, I'm going to clean out the rest of the car. It's like a whole nother day now. I've done some DoorDash. Tired. Sun's fixing to go down, but anywho, I just wanted to show you the process of me cleaning out the car. I got me a little tripod, so that's what y'all are sitting on. I'll have to hold my phone now. I also got this little thing. So it's got like a clippy, and you can clip it, and it has an on-off button. It is fabulous in this car. So, yeah, I'm gonna clean out the car. One of my clients that I give rides to has lost a pocket knife in the car, so we have to find it. And I have to organize all my laundry. I did all the laundry. I didn't get a chance to really show y'all a lot of me doing the laundry, but now I'm gonna have to like fold all of it and put it in bags, because Knucklehead took the bags I had all my clothes in, and I didn't wash all my clothes. I only spent like $5 at the laundromat, guys. That threw me for a loop. Things here are cheaper, like a lot cheaper. That was to wash and to dry. $5. Granted, I only had one load, but if I'd had 2 loads, it would have been 10. And I still had room. I could have put more stuff in the washer and in the dryer. Yeah, so that threw me for a loop. But just gonna clean, I guess. And yes, my hands are all black from the window debacle, because we let it down in the daytime, and it's been raining here a lot lately, and there's something that's producing a black residue when you try and pull the window up. I don't know. My car's falling apart. We're just winging it here. But I'm gonna get everything straightened out in the back and take y'all along with me. So I cleaned out all the trash. The only piece of trash in here is like a bag so that I can use it for trash and hopefully not the floorboard. I've been very good about keeping top of all the trash. It had gotten extremely bad. Excuse me. But anywho, I'm gonna go set up in McDonald's and edit this. So there's gonna be like another clip before this or after this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna line it up, but anywho, I'm gonna do all of the stuff I'm gonna do in the back on camera, and then I'm gonna edit this and get it up for y'all. Tomorrow is Monday, so good night, y'all.